I'm wondering, does the fridge light stay on? Let me check. Right now, the fridge light is on when I open the fridge door. I even hear some noise, too. Yeah. What happens if I close it? Does it stay on? I didn't see. Maybe I can see through here. Oh, man. It blocked it. How am I supposed to know? I know. Come here, camera. There we go. Let's see. Let's see if we get evidence from you to see if the fridge light will stay off when I close it. Let's see if it's gonna stay off when I close it. And shut.
The light turned off when you closed it.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. That's all the evidence I wanted to know. Alright. Okay, that's just what I wanted to know. Anyways, thank you very much, camera, for the evidence.
It's my pleasure. Anyways, have a nice day.
You too.
Time to face up to do the ending.